In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do split screen on Google Chrome. We'll guide you through the process step by step to make multitasking easier and more efficient on your computer. Whether you're comparing documents, watching a video while taking notes, or simply want to keep an eye on multiple things at once, split screen will help you do it all seamlessly. Let's dive in and see how it works. First things first, open your Google Chrome browser. Once it's running, you'll want to grab the window by clicking and holding the title bar at the very top. This is the bar that runs across the top of your window with the website's name displayed on it. It's important to ensure your window isn't maximized at this point, as you'll need to be able to move it around freely. Now that you're holding on to the Chrome window, start to drag it towards either the left or right edge of your screen. As you approach the edge, pay attention to what happens next. You'll notice a transparent outline or overlay appearing along the side of your screen. This acts as a visual guide to show where your window will be positioned once you release it. The outline shows that your browser is ready to snap into place. Once you've seen the transparent outline, go ahead and release the window. Windows will instantly snap your Chrome browser to fill exactly half of your screen. This is a handy feature that allows you to efficiently use your screen space without having to manually adjust the size of your windows. For the next part, you'll want to fill the other half of your screen with another application. This could be another instance of Chrome if you have multiple tabs open, or it could be an entirely different application that you need to use alongside Chrome. Windows will help you out by displaying a selection of open apps and windows. Simply click the one you'd like to occupy the other half of the screen. And there you have it. You've successfully got a split screen setup on your computer. This feature not only saves time, but also enhances productivity by allowing you to multitask with ease. If you want to switch which side the windows occupy, you can simply drag one window to the other side, and Windows will adjust accordingly. Remember, you can also resize the windows to suit your preference by dragging the divider between them. We hope this tutorial has been helpful and that you're now equipped to take full advantage of the split screen feature in Google Chrome. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out or check for additional resources. Thank you for watching and happy multitasking.